How to check if a brand is coupon eligible on Kohls. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial for that we can follow up and see if it's eligible or not. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we need to head over to kohls.com for that obviously, and we can find a specific product that we would like to check the eligibility for. So for example, let's say this towel right here. So you can open up the product base, and once we have opened it up, there we go. We can look out for checkout. So select up your product and click on this option called add to cart, and we'll be headed towards the next page. We can view cart and checkout. And while we are trying to check out, we should be finding an option near the price here if we can apply for coupons or not. You can see we have this option of apply code, which means this product right here is eligible. You'll be finding option where you can apply for promo codes. Otherwise, you will be excluded from coupons, and coupons won't work. This is the fastest and the most reliable way that you can check out. Apart from that, you can check your coupon terms. You can look out for your coupons for your coupons that you have, and check if it's 15% off, Kohls cash, etc. And you can look out for the details and the terms and conditions and a list of brands that are not eligible for it. And you can just go and check it out and also try applying the coupon. So click on apply code for that. Let's add the cart and view cart and checkout. After that, here in this enter code section, you can try and enter your code. Once you have done, click on add, and if that code does not apply, that means the brand and the item is excluded. So Kohls often excludes premium brands like Nike, Levi's, Under Armour, Sephora at Kohls. These chains often, so always double check. And that's it. Those are probably some of the ways you can follow up if you want to look out for it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.